Are you looking to extract emails from Yahoo Mail account? We've got you covered. But before we begin, let's take a look at why extracting emails from Yahoo Mail account is important. Move emails to another platform or client effortlessly. Save crucial emails for future reference or record keeping. Access your messages even without internet connection. Create backups to prevent against accidental deletion. We'll show you 2 easy ways to extract emails from Yahoo Mail account. Let's start with the manual method to download emails from Yahoo Mail. Log into your Yahoo Mail account. Open the email you want to save. Click on 3 dots menu in the top toolbar. Select Print option, and then Save as PDF. But wait, this method has some drawbacks. Requires downloading each email manually. Can't select or export multiple emails at once. Emails are saved as PDFs, not in formats like EML or Mbox. And the second method is to use a premium tool. That's where the BitRecover email extractor wizard comes in. Just visit the official BitRecover website and download the email extractor wizard. Install and launch the software. Select Yahoo Mail as the email source. Enter Yahoo Mail credentials. Click Login. And choose the folders you want to export. Pick a file naming format. Set the destination path. Click Backup and wait for completion. Now, let's look at the advantages of using the BitRecover email extractor wizard. Export emails by applying filters like date, subject, etc. Save time by extracting multiple emails at once. Works with 90+ cloud services, not just Yahoo Mail. Organize output with custom naming formats. Maintains original formatting, structure, and metadata intact. And that's all for this video. Visit the given product link today to download the product. For any queries, email us at support@bitrecover.com.